Hello everyone. Today we are here to review this guest paper of Vinod Publications. Its name is Reading and Reflecting on Text. It's a Punjab B.Ed Semester 4 bestseller guest paper of Punjab University. 100% sure success as per the new syllabus. And it's of Vinod Publication, which is the most trusted education publishing firm of India. So let's have a quick review of this guest paper. Unit wise syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, the scope of nature of reading, and concept, objective at different levels, then types, allowed reading, silent, intensive and extensive reading and all is given. Then unit 2, reading comprehension and reflecting on text and concept in components, level of reading comprehension, then lexical, literal, reflective reading, concept, components and factors. That's unit 2. Then unit 3, evaluation of reading skills with special reference to test of rates of reading, then developing reference skills and strategies, techniques of searching information, and problem faced by children in reading courses and remedies. So these are 3 units which are given. 3 units are given in syllabus in both Punjabi and English language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. Now matter, coming to the matter cover everything of this syllabus. Matter is given in very big font size, which is very comfortable for the readers to read. Its points are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that even the English readers can easily buy this guest paper and read it. Points are discussed in detail. Every question of all the 3 units of the syllabus are completely given. Each question is given and discussed in so many detailing, and so many pages have been given to each and particular topic. So I highly recommend this guest paper. Its price is just 99 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy it online, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218. It will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy this guest paper offline from any available bookstore nearby your location, whichever has B.Ed guest papers or books at 99 rupees only. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books and stuff of Vinod Publications, like B.Ed text books semester 4, B.Ed guest paper semester 4, 5-in-1 guide semester 4 of 1 to 3 for semesters of Punjabi, Hindi and English medium. You can check all them out. You can buy it from any bookstore also at 99 rupees only. And you can go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any inquiry, and if you have any complaint regarding any book or this guest paper or any guest paper of Vinod Publications, you can go to help@vinodpublications.com, and they will definitely sort out your query within just a short time. You can also go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books, other stuff. So 99 rupees is the only price of this guest paper. Buy it on Flipkart, Amazon, online, or call them directly at 9218-219218 and get home delivery, or go to any available bookstore or buy it it's your choice. 99 rupees for this amazing reading and reflecting on text guest paper is a very reasonable price. I highly recommend this guest paper. You should definitely buy it. B.Ed semester 4 Punjab University Punjabi medium guest paper of Vinod Publications with the most trusted publishing firm of India. I highly recommend it. Must buy it. It will definitely help you in exams. Must definitely buy it. Thank you so much.